Overtourism is quietly reshaping local communities across the globe, with profound consequences ranging from cultural dilution to housing crises. Venice has experienced a 60% decline in residents due to overtourism, risking the loss of its centuries-old way of life. Cities like Barcelona have seen a 50% increase in housing costs, forcing working-class families to relocate. Destinations like Santorini struggle to manage 2 million tourists annually, exceeding its population fivefold. Environmental degradation and resource depletion are rampant in overtouristed areas, threatening delicate ecosystems like Machu Picchu, which has seen a 1,000% increase in visitors in 30 years. Economic disparities widen, with profits flowing to large corporations in Bali, leaving locals with diminished quality of life. Indigenous and minority populations are displaced by tourism development, erasing their cultural ties in places like the Galapagos Islands. As resentment and societal tensions rise, protests against overtourism in cities like Amsterdam highlight the need for sustainable solutions. Strategic planning and community-driven initiatives can help destinations manage tourism growth in a way that benefits both visitors and locals. Implementing visitor caps, dynamic pricing, and smart city technologies can regulate tourist flows. Travelers can also mitigate the impacts of overtourism by choosing less crowded destinations and supporting locally owned businesses. Overtourism is a global issue affecting destinations worldwide, requiring a rethink of our approach to tourism to ensure its sustainability. Innovative solutions like smart crowd management systems and community-led tourism initiatives empower destinations to restore balance. By making mindful choices, conscious travelers can help transform the tourism landscape and preserve destinations for future generations. It's time to redefine the future of travel by celebrating cultural exchange, environmental stewardship, and the rights of local communities to ensure the well-being of those who call these places home.